Princess Brooklyn have her first chicken bone.
Typically, it's I think chicken or pork. I needed to step it up after the first round, and I felt like doing something really unique would wow you guys. I think it's really cool that you try to do something completely
Yum.
different, but I have a hard time with the balance. It's like a techno party in my mouth right now. And last time, you didn't have the marmalade in, and I am like a detective trying to find the cocoa monaga. Is it in there? 100%. But I can't see or taste it.
This is something I would normally be drawn to, but I'm wondering if you went a little too far with all these.
She's enjoying her chicken bone, Mimi.
I think this is the kind of dish that's a judge's nightmare. You have pulled ingredients from 10 different cultures.
I only wonder how she's going to act when I take it from her.
Shame on you. But I find the dish addictive. And I find the taste of it is something I want to eat.
What you got there, big girl?
Really innovative.
Chef Jeremy, thank you.
Thank you.
Next we go to Chef Walter.
The name of the dish is braised rabbit with rainbow shard and Malango cocoa chip.
Let's see the reaction when I take it.
A really nice balance, I think.
Thank you.
Your chart of flavor, but the ingredient that I most was the
Here you go.
so you're getting a little bit of a soggy chip here.
Did you just snatch that?
I actually really like the Malango cocoa in this dish. My piece is cooked
I think Mommy and Daddy may have a
a
problem.
little dry.
Thank you.
About the dish.
Chef Walter.
All right. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay. I'm sorry. Oh, there you go. I'm sorry. I made you mad now.